But recently, there is a hue and cry that it is not sustainable, it is not needed, stop it. And in Goa, these pendulums swung the one way and said, stop mining. Goa was a financially viable entity. By stopping mining, the debt of Goa has gone up from $1 billion to $5 billion. Now I keep on saying system, 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 but where does the system come from for sustainable mining or sustainable undertaking of winning the natural resource? The system comes from good legislation. So the system of law is very important for sustainable mining. So if 60,000 families are going to be brought into poverty and the whole mining belt is begging for food, that's a massive social cost. Players who actually stop the mining, which may also include myself in a way, the judiciary, the unwilling legislature, the greedy executive, the bureaucracy, everyone got onto this goose that laid the golden egg and killed it. But then, now try to bring it back to life. It's quite difficult. Mining ought not to have been stopped. On the contrary, it ought to have been encouraged, which is what happened in 1950s. Because mining got encouraged, Goa got built. And I can give you the statistics, how the Marshall aid from Europe came to Goa to start mining, and how it brought the society up into double-digit economic growth. Now, if with 12% economic growth, there is 0.25% social damage, I think we've got to see in totality what that equation is.